The Furcool Commercial 3-glass door merchandiser refrigerator is an impressive appliance designed for businesses that need reliable and efficient beverage storage. With a spacious capacity of 56.5 cubic feet, it measures 28.8 inches deep, 71 inches wide, and 80 inches tall, making it ideal for convenience stores, gyms, offices, or any commercial setting where keeping drinks chilled and easily accessible is essential. One of the standout features of this merchandiser is its triple glass doors, each opening up to a 90-degree angle, allowing for easy loading and unloading of products. The 12 adjustable shelves provide great flexibility for arranging various beverage types, from beer bottles to soda cans, energy drinks, and sports drinks. Each shelf supports up to 50 pounds, ensuring durability and the ability to hold even heavy items without worry. Energy efficiency is another key advantage. Equipped with bright LED lighting and a digital temperature control system, this refrigerator not only keeps your beverages cold, but also saves energy. The self-closing swing doors enhance energy retention, while the lock-mounted glass doors offer additional security, protecting your stock from theft or tampering. The independent light switch is a practical touch, giving users control over interior lighting when needed. In terms of design and maintenance, the Furcool merchandiser combines white-coated aluminum walls with black powder-coated steel, which gives it a sleek, modern appearance. Beyond aesthetics, these materials resist oxidation and rust, greatly extending the refrigerator's lifespan. The smooth surface is easy to clean, which is crucial in busy commercial environments where hygiene is a top priority. Installation is straightforward as it is a freestanding unit, which means it can fit into various spaces without complicated setup. The automatic defrost system helps prevent frost buildup, reducing maintenance, and keeping the fridge running smoothly. Lastly, Furcool backs this product with a solid warranty and professional maintenance support, so customers can feel confident in their purchase knowing any issues will be promptly addressed. Overall, this commercial merchandiser refrigerator blends size, efficiency, security, and style, making it one of the best options for businesses needing a dependable beverage cooler with excellent features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.